Have you ever felt completely drained after talking to someone? Like all your energy just vanished into thin air. You might be dealing with a toxic person. These energy vampires can seriously mess with your peace of mind. But don't worry, I've got a 6-level protocol to help you build a fortress around your mental energy. Let's dive in and learn how to neutralize them for good. Level 1 is the simplest. Avoidance. If you know someone consistently brings you down, who's to stay away? It sounds obvious, but we often feel obligated to interact. Give yourself permission to not answer that call, to decline that invitation. Your peace is more important than their expectations. This is your first and most effective line of defense. Level 2 is for when avoidance isn't an option. Like with a coworker or family member. It's called minimal engagement. Be polite, but brief. Think of it like a business transaction. You're there to do what's necessary, not to get tangled in their drama. Keep your answers short and your personal sharing to 0. This creates an invisible boundary they can't cross. Now for level 3. Factual communication. Toxic people thrive on emotional reactions. So, don't give them any. When you have to communicate, stick strictly to the facts. No opinions, no feelings, just the data. For example, instead of saying, "I'm so frustrated you're late again," say, "The meeting was scheduled for 9 a.m. We need to start on time to cover all the topics." See the difference? It's all business, no emotion. If they still try to provoke you, it's time for level 4. The gray rock method. Imagine you're a boring gray rock. You're uninteresting, unresponsive, and give them nothing to latch onto. Give one-word answers. Okay, I see. Don't make eye contact for too long. They feed on your reactions, and when you give them none, they get bored and move on to find a more interesting target. Level 5 is a bit more advanced. Setting and enforcing boundaries. This is where you explicitly state your limits. You might say, "I'm not comfortable discussing my personal life at work," or "Please don't speak to me in that tone." The key here is the second part, enforcing it. If they cross the line again, you end the conversation immediately. I've already stated my boundary on this. This conversation is over. It's tough, at first, but incredibly empowering. Finally, we reach level 6. The observer perspective. This is your mental superpower. When you're interacting with a toxic person, mentally take a step back and observe the situation as if you were watching a movie. See their behavior not as a personal attack, but as a predictable pattern. This detachment protects your core self. You realize that toxicity is about them, not you, and it loses its power to hurt you. So, there you have it. 6 levels to protect your energy. Avoidance, minimal engagement, factual communication. The gray rock method, setting boundaries, and the observer perspective. Start with level 1 and work your way up as needed. Protecting your mental health isn't selfish, it's essential. If this was helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living a happier, healthier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling completely drained? Like your energy has just been zapped? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. Sometimes, the people we let into our lives aren't building us up. They're tearing us down, bit by bit. This is about learning to recognize who deserves a front row seat in your life and who needs to be moved to the nosebleed section, or maybe even shown the exit. First things first, let's talk about setting boundaries. Think of boundaries as your personal rule book for how you expect to be treated. They're not walls to keep people out. They're gates that you control. A healthy boundary might be saying no to a last-minute request that totally messes up your schedule, or telling a friend you're not available to listen to endless complaints right now. It feels tough at first, right? You might worry about seeming rude or selfish, but here's the secret. People who respect you will respect your boundaries. Those who don't, well, that's valuable information, isn't it? It's a clear sign that they may not have your best interests at heart. So, how do you deal with those who consistently cross your lines? We often call them toxic people, but really, it's about toxic behaviors. This could be the friend who only calls when they need something, the family member who always criticizes you, or the colleague who constantly undermines your work. The key is to respond, not react. Instead of getting angry, calmly and firmly restate your boundary. For example, if someone makes a passive-aggressive comment, You could say, "I'm not comfortable with that kind of joke. Let's keep our conversation positive." You're not starting a fight. You're teaching them how to treat you. In some cases, you might need to limit your contact. Or if the behavior is damaging enough, cut ties completely. Your peace of mind is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Now for the best part, fortifying your future. Once you start clearing out the negative influences, you create space for positive, uplifting relationships to grow. Imagine your life as a garden. You've just spent time pulling out the weeds. Now, you can plant flowers. Seek out people who inspire you, who celebrate your wins, and who support you when you're down. Who are the people that make you feel energized and happy after you see them? Invest your time and energy there. A strong support system is one of the greatest assets you can ever have. It's your personal team of cheerleaders, advisors, and shoulders to lean on. Choosing your circle wisely isn't about being exclusive. It's about being self-protective. You are the curator of your own life story. By setting firm boundaries, addressing toxic behaviors, and intentionally cultivating positive relationships, you're not just protecting your energy. You're building a foundation for a happier, healthier, and more successful future. It's one of the most powerful forms of self-care, Therese. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, give it a like and consider subscribing for more content on living your best life. See you next time. If you're constantly feeling drained, maybe it's not you, it's the people you're around. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's essential for your well-being. Think about who uplifts you and who brings you down. It's time to create a space where you feel safe and valued. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it too. Let's create a community that supports and protects each other. Taking that first step, whether it is setting a boundary or just recognizing the issue, is the most powerful thing you can do today. You deserve to feel good. Let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content that empowers you.